In this support video, we will be doing an installation for the Induction cooktop models 0583. The dimensions for the cut are displayed in this diagram for all 0583 models. The cutout surface needs to be at least 1 3/16 inches thick and is heat resistant. The safety distance between the cooktop and the above cabinets should be at least 30 inches. Install the foam gasket along the entire length of the inner glass. Using the 2 screws and clips, locate the 2 reserved holes on both sides of the unit. Screw in the screws and clips on both sides. We recommend a qualified electrician for the connection. There are 2 methods to connect to a power source. Method 1 is to wire up the connection plug by connecting the red, green, and black wires to the plug. Then simply plug in the unit to the electrical box. The connection plug is not included. Method 2 is to connect the unit directly to the main power source. It's best to turn off the main power source before proceeding. Feed the unit's wires into the junction power box. Connect the green ground wire. Connect the black wire and then the red wire. Secure with black electrical tape and close the junction box. Place the unit in the cutout. Turn on the main power source. This completes the installation.